Will IKEA only make money by selling meatballs? Has it become a dating corner for the elderly and a nap place for workers? Can IKEA China come back to life? Hey folks, welcome back to China Business Insights. Lion here. When I first graduated, IKEA was like my homemaking mentor. We've all hit that moment where buying furniture was a pipe dream. But IKEA was always there, providing affordable options, hanging with us through our young and broke years. And IKEA, this Swedish home decor giant, has been putting down roots in China for over 2 decades now. Meatballs, IKEA's own little superstar? This concept was first put forward by Ingvar Kamprad, the founder of IKEA. It is a bit like a celebrity spokesperson in the furniture industry, but it is a little different. Recently, IKEA, which has been based in China for more than 20 years, began to practice this concept in live webcasts. But instead of using movie stars or singers, it used Swedish food in restaurants to attract consumers. The charm of the restaurant is obvious. It is said that meatballs can sell 1 billion each year, and ice cream in restaurants has almost become standard. According to the 2021 financial reports, over 5% of IKEA's total sales came from their food services. IKEA also found out that a surprising 30% of customers primarily pop in just to eat. This makes people wonder why the restaurant of a store that mainly sells furniture items should become such an attractive place. Is it because meatballs are so delicious? Or is there something special about the restaurant itself? Or IKEA provides us with a special shopping experience? Before we go into this issue, let's learn the story of this Swedish brand in China. IKEA, once a lifestyle leader, now seems to be facing some challenges. Let's peek into IKEA's recent business tale, shall we? In the fiscal stretch of 2021, IKEA's global store sales took a little tumble, down by 8%, and juxtapose that to 2020, they welcomed 50 million fewer folks through their blue and yellow portals. And cruising into the China market, IKEA followed the same melody. Last year, for the first encore, IKEA dimmed the lights on 2 of its stores in the Chinese market, bidding adieu to the ones in Guiyang and the Shanghai Yangpu shopping mall. Feedback from the consumer choir also hits a note that IKEA is no longer the jazzy lifestyle conductor it once was. In the year of graduation, we were young people who were far away from home. The sense of belonging in big cities is given to us by IKEA. IKEA has become the entrance for us to realize our dreams with its unique yellow value for money and low-price billboard. The $39 coffee table became the first piece of furniture in the rental house. The classic bookshelf of $149 brings a Nordic flavor to the old hut. The floor tiles of those hair houses are covered by IKEA carpets. We twist the light. That warm IKEA desk lamp seems to light up your Sunshine Avenue. Full of enthusiasm for life, I always go to IKEA unconsciously on weekends. IKEA's big blue and yellow logo, labyrinth shopping route, and dream model room for healing. And ice cream and meatballs that restaurant Uber can't. Everything is full of attraction. We are caught in a mysterious world, and young people who have just entered the society have vowed to always love IKEA. However, just like the promise of love, it only lasted for a few short years. When did young people start to alienate IKEA? Young workers are so exhausted by the weekend that they no longer have the energy or mood to spend 2 hours travelling to the suburban IKEA. And what to visit at IKEA? At first, we might get lost in the joy of a $6.70 storage box, feeling like we've gained immense happiness for just a little bit of cash. But soon after, young folks quickly realised that the ceramic coffee cup they excitedly bought from IKEA for $1 could be found on China's Taobao e-commerce platform for just half the price, looking exactly the same. The atmosphere of visiting IKEA has also changed subtly. In the past, we were willing to invite friends to IKEA because it was full of trends and fun. Nowadays, it is more like a blind date corner for the elderly, a nap place for migrant workers, and a slightly outdated playground. Young people become more rational about shopping. Also, if we're talking about getting that stylish vibe for our homes, why only think IKEA? We've got cool spots like Muji, Beast, Nico and Zara Home, Gnome and even Miniso. Some are easier on the wallet than IKEA and others just have that special touch. Bottom line? They all sound way more tempting than making a trip to the huge IKEA store out in the burbs. IKEA realised this and took measures. It opened a smaller city store, which is closer to the city centre and closer to the lives of young people. The city store not only sells furniture, but also more exquisite household items. Young people can participate in handicraft experiences in city stores, including sewing, carpentry, graffiti, etc. But I feel that instead of constantly making changes, IKEA should focus on providing what it does best. What do you think is IKEA's biggest advantage? The biggest advantage of IKEA is that it can provide cost-effective, diversified and stable quality home products. Compared with some emerging designer home furnishing brands, IKEA has always been a choice with matching prices and designs. A big wardrobe costs only $218 and a table of 41 starts at $190, while a small one costs only $22. IKEA welcomes every customer, no matter how small their budget is, to find their own home products at IKEA. IKEA's products add colour to life. A $27 pier glass is warm and affordable. A $400 million single-person sofa brings dignity to the new house. IKEA is warm, accompanying people through difficult times in life and providing them with solutions. But as young people get older and decide to upgrade their homes, they may start to consider higher-end options. They may choose walnut bed frames, first-grain cowhide sofas and statement furniture rather than just IKEA products. Knowing this, IKEA strives to keep in line with the lifestyle of young people in China and continues to be a necessity for them. IKEA not only studies the trends of contemporary people's home life, but also puts forward solutions to meet people's living needs. IKEA's model room embodies these solutions, such as how to optimize small apartments, improve storage design, open kitchen balance, intimacy, and solitude. Young people can get inspiration from IKEA's model rooms and immediately apply these solutions to their lives to improve their living conditions. IKEA not only provides affordable furniture, but also provides practical solutions to real-life problems. I think this is its unshakable core competitiveness and the reason why it can ultimately survive in the Chinese market. Do you have an IKEA furniture that witnessed your growth and recorded your story? Are you optimistic about the future of IKEA in China, the big manufacturing country? Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Bye.